So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and in this video I'm going to share an amazing opportunity by Infosys. That is an online learning program where we'll be learning about AI, machine learning and different concepts completely free of cost. What is this opportunity? Let's cover it in detail and I'll show you how you can apply for it completely free of cost. Now let's come directly to the mail. I have received this email. In case you haven't received the email, I'll share the link. From there you can apply it easily. Now here what is the update? So they are excited to invite for the Pragati, the path to future. Their cohort 9 is live. It's a 12-week flagship program by Infosys. Here we'll be learning about artificial intelligence, data science, professional skills, cloud computing, DevOps, and cloud security. All these things completely free of cost, and it will help you to get job also and enhance your skills. Now, what is the current procedure and how you can apply? So the registration will be closing on 22nd of June. You have very limited time. Now this is open for women only. Okay. This is not open for males. It is only open for women or girls who are at least 18 years of age. Here you have to just complete some prerequisites and meeting the application guidelines they have mentioned. So here, if you are a college student, you need to obtain a no objection certificate. That is a permission letter from your college. You have to just contact your HOD or even your dean will help you to get the letter of no objection certificate, and you have to get it signed with the authorized official signature and stamp. Now you have to email to this particular email after you receive it and submit by 30th of June. Now how you have to apply, let me just show you. You have to click on the link which I've shared in the description box. From there this particular thing will open. You have to click on I accept, done. Now here they're asking for basic verification. So you have to enter your email, first name, last name and send the OTP. Let me just do it for you. Now here you have to check your mailbox and verify the OTP, and your registration will be live over here. Now here you have to mention your full name, then your registered email ID with which you have filled this particular form you'll be filling, okay, or where you have just authenticated and filled the OTP. After that you have to just enter, let me just enter sample name, and let me just add the email address also. Now here they are having two genders listed over here. So they have clearly mentioned in the form itself, to get selected you must be female. So you can select female. Only when you are female then only select. I'm just giving a demo example with a girl's name. So here you have to select it. If you have already participated in this event, then you can select yes. If not, just select no. Now here you have to mention your education qualification. So you can just mention it. Now your current employment status, whether you are retired, it is open for all, okay. So you can just mention whatever you are. If you are a student, kindly provide the full name of your college, university. I'm just using a sample details, okay. How do you come to know? So you can just mention social media, mention the city. So you can just mention the city over here. And if you're a college student, please note that the submission of no objection certificate. I am a student, I'll submit by 30th of June. And if I'm not a student, there is no need for no objection certificate. Okay, so I got it. If you're a student, then only you need to obtain the no objection certificate. If you're retired or you're doing any other job, personal business, then you can just click on I'm not a student. Okay, so you can just select and click on continue. And after that, you can simply click on proceed to submit. So like this, you have submitted it. You'll be getting the rest updates directly on your mailbox. And if selected, you'll be notified by email. Now, if you want to participate in different events, you can just check out the channel. We have covered multiple opportunities that are completely free of cost available. So take the benefit of all these opportunities. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead. To like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video with everyone.